Hello, my name is Matt Sommer. I'm Director of IT and Product DevOps at Xos Incorporated. Usually, being a busy leader, it's hard for me to participate, but I really enjoy the retrospectives that come from the meetups of the champions, and usually take the time to read them. DELMIA makes my job easier by providing me a digital interface that I can review others' work. And it really helps me make sure the teams and the people are using the tools correctly, and I'm able to review it quickly and easily. Knowing what I know now, the advice I give myself early in my journey with DELMIA would be that don't be afraid to dive in. Initially, I was pretty apprehensive about investing in the tool and learning it, my colleagues as well. And I really wish I had just dove in and just, figured it out and started the journey faster.